Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Hand of Doom on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to standard E, or consider tuning a quarter step down for that classic heavy sound. This iconic track from Black Sabbath is a masterclass in dynamics and riff-based playing. We will explore the key techniques and sections to help you master this legendary song. The song opens with a hypnotic, clean guitar and bass interplay, setting a moody atmosphere. For the verses, you will play this riff softer, often rolling down your guitar's volume knob by 50 to 60%. This dynamic contrast is crucial, as the song frequently shifts between these quiet, clean passages and crushing heavy sections. As the song progresses, it transitions into a wall of crushing riffs driven by power chords. You will primarily use C, E-flat, D, B-flat, F, and G power chords. Palm muting is essential here to achieve those tight, percussive chugs that define the heavy metal sound. Focus on precision and the syncopated rhythms to truly nail these powerful sections. For the lead sections and solo, focus on Tony Iommi's emotive string bending and vibrato. These techniques add a vocal-like quality to your playing. Hammer-ons and pull-offs will help you achieve smoother, more connected phrases. The outro typically features a repeating power chord progression, gradually fading out, bringing this epic journey to a powerful close.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.